Hi, my name is Claude and I work with the ICT branch at the PNGEC. This election, the PNGEC makes preliminary and progressive election results public on the PNGEC results website as soon as they are transmitted by counting officials. This is so everyone has access to timely information. We've received a few questions on how the PNGEC 2022 election results website works, so we thought, why not show you? Once results data is on the website, there are many ways for visitors to view it. The Overview of Results page gives you the overall view of the counting progress based on what has been received from the counting centers. Scroll down to check individual electorates, or click on the province box to see progress of all electorates in one province. You can always see when data was last updated at the counting center. You can also see election summary for more detailed information, and the declaration summary to see a list of declared results. Click on any individual election to get more information. It shows you how many first preference counts have been entered into the system, individual LLG counts, and the latest round of exclusions and distribution of preferences. Once the final distribution of preferences hard copy form that records the election winner is verified, an election will be designated as completed on the website. The website shows results data that comes directly from our counting centers across the country. The results website is a public information tool to share preliminary results, but it does not determine the outcome of an election. This system complements and reflects the paper results forms that are the official record of the results and are completed and signed at the counting centers by electoral officials and scrutineers. The website also includes an interactive map. Click on any province on the map and you will see the results for both the provincial seat or the open electorate seat. This feature allows you to see the number of counts, polling teams, the number of candidates, number of ballots cast, both formal and informal, and the number of votes received by each candidate. I hope this helps answer your questions about the website. Thank you for staying engaged and following the elections on our website. For further questions, please contact us at pngec.gov.pg.